Gonna be a good day. Got the culvert pipe on. And it's actually a beautiful day out here. We got the driveway put in. So let's do a quick walk down there. Come around the corner here. We made everything pretty wide so we can get our RV in here. Got some slash to clean up, some deadfall. And this is going to be the home build site. Trees falling, a couple more to go, and fire's going. Tree too big for excavator. Should be fine. Oh, nice and easy. Oh. Alright, so we got our power pole in and all of our temporary power as well. So that was a big project. And this is the corridor where all the underground wiring goes. And this is going to be the site where the house gets built. And then that's going to be the shop site and place for animals.